Hello people. As you all know, coronavirus has affected people all over the world socially, mentally and financially. The stigma connected to COVID-19 has far more devastating implications on people's mental health and social life, especially on the frontline workers of healthcare, sanitary and police. The list doesn't stop there. Surprisingly, it's affecting the COVID 19 recovered patients and their families. In this episode, we will tell you about the stigma associated to COVID 19, its effects, and potential ways to minimize it. Let's cut to the chase. This is Rohit, and you're watching The Think Tank. We all know that there is social stigma present in our society where the people are discriminated on the basis of caste, religion, and race. In addition to this, now people are experiencing health related stigma due to coronavirus. The main reason behind all this is the fear of anxiety and the misinformation that is being spread across the social media. By sharing misinformation about the spread of coronavirus, a fear has been created in the society, and as a result, the frontline workers are not being allowed in their own houses by their communities. Shockingly, COVID 19 recovered patients are being emotionally avoided by the society with a fear of being infected. We must and should understand that social distancing is to maintain physical distance to curb the spread of the virus, but it doesn't mean emotional distancing. Let's see what a doctor has to say about this situation.
Hi, this is Bhavna. I'm a medical student. I want to talk about how much social stigma has been created about COVID-19. There are few people who have symptoms, but who have symptoms, who have a history of primary contact. They're not getting that test done just because of the fear of they getting positive, and what will the society or relatives or your neighbors will think about it. It's very sad that it's not their mistake, but you people treating them like that. Rather than the clinical symptoms, they have a lot of mental stress if they get test positive. So it's our responsibility to create awareness among the people, and like how we are telling them to follow primary precautions. In the same way, you can tell them you should create awareness among the people that it's okay to be tested positive and being considerate towards them. And I have read an article that after coronavirus patient, after they getting treated and tested negative, still their own family is not allowing back into their home. That is very 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 pathetic. And please people, be considerate towards them, and stay home and stay safe.
We must be very cautious while talking to COVID patients as the fear and stigma might make them avoid testing and quarantine centers. In our opinion, we must describe them as COVID patients rather than COVID cases and victims. The frontline workers have always been there to support us, so it is our duty not to discriminate them with the fear of getting infected, but to be more considerate and show empathy towards them. The think tank team would like to thank and acknowledge each and every frontline worker for their effort in fighting against this disease. We request everyone to share facts and accurate information about the disease and post positive information about the patients who have recovered from COVID to make everyone feel safe and positive in these difficult times. We hope you have liked our video. Until the next episode, stay tuned, stay safe, and thank you.